Good morning. Chapter 11, Lesson 3 is on page 493. It's called Simplifying Radical Expressions, and we're going to use our radical expressions and try to simplify them. Again, I just want to make sure we understand the square root of something is x to the 1/2 power. It makes life much easier if we can remember that. Let's start off with x to the 6th. Well, if we needed to, we could write this as x squared, x squared, x squared. And we could simplify the square root of x squared we know is x times x times x, and that ends up with our answer of x to the 3rd power. Let's do it with our x to the 1/2 power rule, and this turns out that it turns out to be x to the 6th to the square root, which is really x to the 6th to the 1/2 power. And we know when we have that, we multiply the 2. 6 times 1 over 2 just turns out to be x to the 3rd. So either way, it's going to work. As we get more and more practice, we'll get faster and faster. Let's try something like number 55. We have 3a cubed times the square root of 28a cubed b to the 5th. Let's rewrite it. 3a cubed. And I think we have 7. We have 4. We have a squared, we have a, we have b to the 4th, and we have b. Remember, with our rules, we can break it up that way. With our exponents, remember, this is nothing more than something to the 1/2 power. So this looks like, if we simplify, 3a cubed, square root of 7, times 2, times a, and maybe I should put my dots here, times the square root of a, times b squared times the square root of b. And what we can do is we can combine everything. We can make this 3 times 2 is 6, a to the 4th, b squared. And under the radical, we can stick everything else we have left, 7, a, and b. There's our answer. Appreciate your help. See you all tomorrow.